Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. In this video, I'm going to cover how the market performed in the May 17th market day. So time now is 12:14 in the morning. It's already 5:18, May 18. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, I do review stocks on the daily basis, so you're very much welcome to drop a comment and request for your favorite stock to be reviewed. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. All right. So I would like to also take the time to recognize those who really made an effort to drop a comment. I read those every single day, guys. Thank you very much. One here, acoustic pillows. Thanks, Miss JD. I always watch your stock analysis every day. I learn little by little in the every videos you upload. Okay, so I think this one I will prioritize because we have Ed Moon Ong. There you go. Ed Moon Ong wants us to review these four. Okay, naipit daw siya, pero tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng maging insights ko dyan. So this is very raw, guys. I will be opening the chart uh, for the first time today. So I will be doing on the spot analysis. So I do mostly technical analysis. So in case I don't have an update on the news or may alam kayo na hindi ko alam, just put in the comment so that we learn from you as well. Okay, so uh, Gusty Boss wants us to review SGP. Okay, sige. Unahin natin to. Um, but first, let's check out the index. Okay, very nice move index. We officially crossed the MA20 line and my foreign buying ka na. So, magandang kwento yan. At least when it dropped, mas higher kumpara sa dito. So, this could mean that we are already on, starting to become bullish. Actually, since here, no? Since the 14th, 15th of March, kasi when it dropped, mas mataas naman. And then nag-akyat siya, mas mataas kumpara dito. So, when it dropped, so we are in the short term, uptrend na siya. And especially because nag-cross na tayo ng MA20 line, so mas magandang kwento and may foreign buying ka pa. So I am expecting a lot of our blue chip companies to also show the same uh, sentiment. We might be seeing a lot of recoveries happening in the coming days. Okay. Pero tandaan nyo guys, may mga points yan, may mga resistance levels yan. And there could be some days na magre-retrace ulit yan because nag-profit take na yung mga nakapag-enter at a lower level. Okay? So, tingnan na natin to si FLI. FLI, di ko lang alam kasi kung saan ka nakapag-enter, no? But I am just going to look at the chart as is. We are on a daily chart. Mukhang ah, malaki, sobra na break na nga niya. Oh. Parang ito na ang all-time low levels niya. Dito, na break niya to. So ito na yung bagong support niya. Buti hindi ganun ka baba. Minsan kasi pag all-time low siya, delikado kasi baka tutuloy-tuloy pa. Right? So I will go and check the weekly chart. As you can see, na break nga niya to. Ito yung okay. Sus, akala ko dito. May ano pa pala. Hindi pa to all-time low. Okay, hindi pa siya all-time low. On a weekly chart, we're moving below the MA20 line. So, I'm seeing a possibility na hindi pa to tapos sa kanyang downtrend. Okay, so posible pa siyang bababa. At ang problema kasi, ito, may mga areas naman na next niya, nakikita ko is somewhere here. Tingnan mo to. Para, para kasi siyang may support dyan. Right? Dito na area. I-plot ko lang yan, ha? So, and then zoom out. Yan. Pangit pala pag inano ko siya. Ayan. So, dito kasi nakikita ko, before siya mag-reach pa sa sunod na support area, ito muna, challenge niya, which is very near the area where we are at right now. Okay, ito siya. Nandito tayo ngayon. So, but then again, pababa pa ang sentiment. And every candlestick here means 1 week. So, hindi natin alam kung baka before siya makaabot dito, it might take a few weeks pa. So, ilang candlesticks pa yan. Pero, um, if malaki na ang negative mo, gaya ng ginawa ko in the other video, pag malaki na yung negative mo, and total na hold mo naman siya ng ganong katagal. Kasi once you get out of this, it's a done deal. You've lost that much. But if you, to begin with, you know that you like it will invest, you know the capacity of the company, negative lang talaga, baka pwede mong pag-isipan ulit. Baka it's about time na when it's super, super badly hit, doon ka pwede mag-average down. Okay? Because powerful din naman na mag-average down. Kaso lang, sometimes, nag-average down ang tao, halfway pa lang sa downtrend. So, hindi pa pala tapos ang downtrend. Right? So, try mo abangan. Dito, I know, dito nag-start na siya paakyat sa, gumagawa na siya ng bullish divergence, pero hindi siya sapat eh. Meron ka pang mga selling dito. Tingnan natin to. Negative din yung kanyang ang liit ng earnings, Q3. Positive naman siya sa, hindi siya stable, no? Hindi stable yung kanyang uh, earnings. Pero may mga dividend siya. So, ito na lang. Siguro ang kaabang-abang if tumuloy ulit na magbigay ng dividend this 2023. So, something to look forward to. The probability of an average down and pasok mo siya. Dagdagan mo ang volume. And that's in the premise na you believe in the company. Right? Inaabangan mo lang yung mas murang presyo. Kasi uh, each time you put an amount there and nasa mas murang halaga, that means ang average mo, bababa at bababa din yan. Okay, so the next stock is PHR. PHR, ang laki din ng drop. Pero nagbo-bullish divergence din siya. Kaso, itong downside, especially because ang konti ng trades, right? Ang konti ng trades. So, kahit yung amount na ipi-place mo for your order, the current amount, dahil sa konti lang kayo. Ang 26 na yan, pwedeng tatlo, apat na tao lang yan eh. Nakabili at nakabenta at nakapasok ulit. So, one person could have traded 4 or 5 times or 2 times. So, posibleng less than 26 individuals pa yan. They're counting every trade. And in here, ang laki ng loss niya. So, you have to ask yourself again kung kaya mo ba i-let go yung amount na yan. Kung example, may profitable trade ka sa kabilang stock, no? Kabilang stock, profitable ka. Tapos dito, medyo small amount lang din naman. And nafe-feel mo na pag exit mo dito, lagay natin na, hindi ko kasi alam yung amount mo. Lugi ka dito ng 5,000. Pero may magandang stock, magandang position na pag ilagay mo doon, pwedeng mas mababawi ko agad habang ito natutulog. That is, you have to ask yourself again, kaya ko ba i-let go ang amount na to? Because kahit ang daling sabihin ano, na once you cut your loss, always cut your loss. Yun. That will only work pag nakapag-exit ka right away. I've done that so many times na nagka-cut loss ako sa saktong oras that I can easily let go of that. Pero pag may mga trades ako na hindi ako naka-exit right away, dun medyo Madami din ako. May mga stocks din akong naipit and I have to uh, carefully strategize on my exit strategy or my cost average. I will cost average down para I can maximize my gains out of it or lessen the amount I will be losing from it. So yun ang pinaka takeaway. Pero over here, ay aabangan natin ito dito muna kasi nakailang days na siya nagstay dito. Let us see if in the short term magkakaroon siyang ng bounce. PH Resorts, hindi ko kabisado kung anong mga companies nila. But I would assume that this is in the tourism industry. Tingnan mo individually yung mga resorts nila kung how popular they are, how yung profitability ng kumpanya nila in the recent time. Kasi slowly the tourism industry is starting to recover. Pero if titingnan mo lang sa numbers nila, laki yata ng nalugi nila. Hindi pa sila nakabawi, oh, 'di ba? So, here if position trader ka lang, kunwari, pwede kang good area to consider, pero short term lang. Kaso, kung tatanungin ako, titingin ako sa ibang mga stock kasi ito, ang konti ng trades. So, very important din ang volume at ang number of trades in that particular stock. Kasi wala, matetenggal lang yung mga orders mo. Ikaw lang tao dyan. Alam mo yun? Para ka talagang, para talaga tayong nasa market. Mas maganda ang merkado na madaming tao. So yun, si PHR, green, 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 green energy or greenergy. Yun. Ito si Greenergy, slowly recovering. Kita niyo, nagsa-start ng umakyat yung volume. Kumpara mo dito, mas mababa yung volume dito. And when it dropped, andon, heavy selling pa actually. Yung time dito, heavy selling pa. Dami pang gustong umexit. And dito, kita mo to, nung dito na part, numipis na ang volume. Konti na lang ang nag exit. Na-stretch pa nga hanggang dito eh. Ano? Tapos, nung umakyat siya, ang kagandahan is naakyat din yung volume. And when it dropped right now, na nasa 1.06, tingnan mo yung kanyang RSI, umaakyat na din. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is already starting to recover. Kung ipit ka dito, I think mas mabilis kang makaka-exit dito. And if you want to add more, good area na to consider if you want to add more. Pero it might take a while kasi nakakross na nga siya sa MA20. May fluctuation between 118 to 113. Pwede mo nang dagdagan if you are considering that um, to add more. So, nasa murang level na ito. Right? Ano nangyari dito? Ba't ang daming niyang earnings? Naka-consolidate. Anyway, so dito, kita mo, ang laki ng potential niya eh, na umabot pa siya ng 5. So, if you're willing to hold on to it longer, this is the best time to add more to your volume. Kasi pabalik na siya. Okay? Pabalik na, paakyat na siya uli. Kita mo yan? Ayan, dito yung weekly naman niya. Dito ang support niya, 1.05. And we'll see. Let's check that out and probably closely monitor this stock and decide ito ba ang stock na pwedeng dagdagan. Ayun. Next stock is VUL. Si VUL naman, ito rin, nag-start na siya mag-cross. Nasa taas na siya, nasa taas na ng MA20. Okay, so chances are, ito kasi nag-drop siya. Okay. Sana may refresh gaya ng sa trading view. Walang refresh dito eh. So dito, 'di ba? Habang gawa siya, weekly chart to ha, para mas malinis. Lowest point here, andito yung kanyang RSI. Nung binalikan ito, mas mataas na siya. Mas mataas na yung RSI niya. Tapos, ito, biglang shoot up ng kanyang volume. Unti-unti, no? So, chances are, ito, posibleng magbigay ito ng, ay, bakit ang laki ng, wala silang revenue. Q1 2023, ganun, ay, chart lang okay, pero revenue-wise, medyo nakakatakot. So, in case lang, kasi posible pa rin siyang aakyat on a technical point of view. Pag naka-reach ka, the closest you are to your average price, at may nakita ka na, for example, na reach niya ang isang resistance. Example lang to. Tapos, nahihirapan siya mag-break. Pwede mong half nun, i-exit mo. Okay? I-exit mo. Um, and then from there, since may naiwang ka pa, at least kahit papaano nabawasan mo yung loss mo. Otherwise, kasi ang dali din sabihin, okay, pag bumagsak siya, i-average down mo. Pero ako, I'd rather, naka-exit na ako, na-contain ko na or na-reduce ko na yung loss ko. I'd rather put this in a stock na pwede akong mas mabilis na kumita. Hindi ko kasi nagugustuhan yung numbers niya in terms of financial health of the business. Medyo tagilid siya. Unless there's something na hindi ko alam, right? May isa akong, the previous day, may nagtanong sa akin about PCOR. Si PCOR, kahit bagsak siya, ako, lalo na kung extreme yung bagsak, kunwari na more than 50%. Considering PCOR, alam mo yun, hindi naman siya basta-basta mawawala sa industriya, right? So, uh, I'd rather average down. Pero, hindi ko ano yung produkto ni Vulcana, ni VUL, Mining Corporation. Mining siya. Hindi rin siya nagbibigay ng dividend. So, I'm a bit bearish recommending this stock. So, just take advantage of the technical setup niya na slowly nagre-recover siya. So, pag nag-push pa to pataas and the closer it gets to your average, pwede ka na mag-lock in doon, na mag-exit, pwedeng ganun. Alright? So, uh, very difficult yung mga stocks mo. Medyo you really have to strategize. You really have to strategize para maka-exit ka dyan. So there are so many ways pwede kang mag-exit totally because ang laki na ng loss mo, but then again you're willing to lose that money. But kung hindi ka willing na i-let go ang ganyan na amount, you have to strategize. Either pag akyat niya, exit mo partially, tapos nag-decline siya ulit, re-enter mo to average down. Pwedeng ganun din. Or kung may extra money ka, hintayin mo yung pinakasadsad-sadsad niya. Saka ka mag-average down para laki naman ng impact sa pag-reduce ng average price mo. Now, let's take a look at SGP. Si SGP, grabe yung bagsak nito, no? Pero nagbibigay siya ng dividend eh. On a daily chart. Ay, anong nangyari dito? Bearish pa rin siya. Ang laki na ng dinrap niya. Bearish pa din. Ito, I still find this bearish. It's outside the Bollinger Band. Ang laki pa ng volume. So, posibleng ipupull down pa to ng todo ang presyo. 52-week low. Ito, lapit niya sa 52-week low. Ito na ba yung lowest niya? Parang ito ang lowest niya, no? May mas mababa pa ba? Yun. I'm still bearish dito, Gus. Oo. So, you have to make a decision. Pero nagbibigay siya in fairness, nagbibigay siya ng dividend. So, baka kung gusto mo, just kung malaki na talaga ang loss, hintayin mo na lang. Magpa-compensate ka na lang sa kanila through dividend. Malay natin may magkaroon ng catalyst someday at isang araw lang pwede niyang well, in a day, the most that you can jump is 50%. Pero, um, ano kaya nangyari dito? Biglang bagsak siya nito nung time na to. Hindi ko to nasundan. 20 November, nasuspend ba to? Baka nasuspend tapos pagpasok niya, pagbalik niya, ang laking bagsak ng presyo. So, yun. Same recommendation. Pwede mong hintayin na tumodo siya ng bagsak. And from there, you can average down. Pero at this point, given the chart, hindi ko pa siya nakikitaan na ng signs of slowing down. Andun pa. Pwede pa niyang ibagsak. Ang hirap naman ng chart ko. Ang liit. Yan. Kita mo? Yan. Andyan pa rin. So, I'd say just stay on the sidelines for now. And magugulat ka, in our world, 80-90% of the time, you really don't have to do anything. Kasi sometimes, the more you look at it, nagiging maligalig ka. Kala mo exit time na kasi profitable ka. Yun pala, ang liit lang ng profit mo, right? So, in this case, I see it still dropping. Hayaan mo muna siya dyan kung ayaw mo i-cut loss. Pero kung within the threshold mo ng cut loss, please cut your loss in a timely manner. Kasi ako magre-recommend lang pag na-achieve mo yan in a timely manner. Pero kung pag nasa more than your threshold na, you really have to think deeply kung ito ba ang amount na i-let go ko, kaya ko ba tong i-let go talaga? Otherwise, average down or wait for it. Okay? So, ideally, gusto natin na yung pera natin tuloy-tuloy na nagbibigay ng revenue. Kahit papano, at least itong si SGP, kahit bagsak man siya, binibigyan ka pa rin ng dividend. So, let's hope na meron ulit. Meron nga siya ng March, oh. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy na magbigay siya ng dividend. So, that way, kahit papano, makabawas siya sa losses mo. Okay, so those are the stocks from the request. Tingnan natin, balikan ko si MWIDE. So just an update here, I'm also closely monitoring MWIDE. I added more today. So ito, nakapagdagdag ako today. So medyo significant na ang, medyo nasa malaki ng amount or percentage of my portfolio na nakalagay dito. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy siya at magka-recover. So, I think this one today, ano na to, sa mga traders to na nagpo-pull back, na nagpo-profit take. If you are to observe, red siya pero ang liit lang ng volume niya kumpara sa mga pumasok nitong araw na to. So, that means they're still holding on to their positions. May foreign buying ka. So, posible yan. And if I am to look at it, parang kanina, nakapag-enter ako sa 3.75 and 3.78. So those are the key areas. Hindi ko na talaga binilangan na very, very specific. Pero I know, nag-Fibonacci ako dito eh. Ayan, kita mo? Ito yung area. That's the area na ginamit ko. Nag-Fibonacci retracement ako. Sabi ko baka mag-jump siya or mag-pull back siya in the first layer and then tuloy-tuloy packet. So let us see tomorrow kapag this will be respected. So goods yan kasi I think ang average ko na sa 3.8, 3.80 something. 3.88 yata. So ando na siya. So good luck for those people who are looking forward to the second round of dividends. I was able to take advantage of this. I was also able to take advantage of this. So that's outright almost what 30%? Hindi naman. 27 lang. So less than a year, mato 27% yun na ang returns. Plus pa kung umakyat siya, di may capital gains ka at may dividend ka. Okay? So I'm not really expecting na every year ganito. For MWIDE, may mga nag-trigger lang, could be a sale of a property. Kung hindi ko nakita yung news, pero uh, last time ang reason nito is it was because of the sale of the Mactan Airport. Binenta nila, I think, kay Aboitiz. Yun. Ito, hindi ko alam ang kwento. Hindi ko na nasunda ng kwento, pero ito, 3 days ago. So let me know if you have a backstory, pero natuwa lang talaga ako sa additional dividend na pamimigay ni MWIDE. So let's take a look at the other stocks. MONDE, si MONDE, ayan ang nagre-recover na din ah. Ito tandaan nyo guys, pag may gap up, gap down, finifill yan ang gap. So what it is currently doing is it is filling the gap. So, ang tanong dyan, magtutuloy-tuloy ba? Hindi natin yan sigurado kasi the MA20 at the moment is acting as your resistance. So kapag i-break niya yan, di good. But right now, what the chart is doing is it is filling that gap. Um, for those people who want to try it out, you have to again understand the stock that you're entering. Because what I'm doing here is just merely technical analysis, very, very few insights on the fundamentals. Kung ano lang nakikita ko dito, mostly dyan lang ako makakapag-base ng aking analysis. You have to deep dive and really understand. Punta kayo sa news, PSC Edge, mas marami kayong makukuha doon. Okay, sa AC naman, AC, ayan, ang tuloy-tuloy na siya. Very good sa mga taong I was able to review this, I think, over the weekend. And for those people who added more, very good yan. Slowly, nagre-recover na siya. So, kita nyo ang volume, paakyat na rin eh. So, good yan. I am recommending that if you engage in AC, isip kayo long term. Ang ganda ng position niya. Although, so on the short term, medyo nag-akyat na siya, no? Hindi to area ng position trading. Kasi nakapag-akyat na siya. Ang position trading, dito ka sa support, ito sa support, yan. Pero I think ito, more on the breakout play. Yan. Nag-breakout siya sa nearest resistance niya dito sa 666. Okay, so very good si AC. Looking positive. I see some continuation. Ang layo pa ng kanyang 52-week high. Or even all-time high ba to? Yan, kung all-time high niya, layo pa, oh. So, it also gives dividend, so magandang kwento yan. You get compensated while waiting. Alright? So, I think yun lang muna. Ang tagal ng video ko. You can skip to the part na gusto mo mapakinggan. The order of the stocks on the title is based on the order it was discussed. Okay, so maraming salamat. Good evening and good night. Bukas ulit. Bye-bye for now.